Hey guys, this is a book review for the Skinny Taste Meal Prep book. I love this book. It has so many great pictures of everything she cooks up. I need cookbooks that have the pictures. That's super important to me, and she has some really beautiful pictures. Really great photography of the different meals. Something special about this book is that she really includes a lot of meal prep and freezing, which you don't see in a lot of mainstream cookbooks. So what's really cool about that is, I don't know, if you're doing the daily cooking, then you can really relate to wanting to do like batch cooking. And this is roasted vegetable lasagna, and you can see the layers of vegetables in here. It's really beautiful. So she has like meal prep tips. She has like a calendar you can follow if you want. She's just thinking of like the daily cook, that person. Usually that's the mom. Really having her needs in mind. Definitely if you are either a stay-at-home dad or just a dad that occasionally cooks, you can find some great recipes in here. But I did really appreciate that the structure and the layout of having the freezer prep to make life a little bit easier. This section here was on healthier snacks, smart snacking. So the title of her book is about Skinny Taste. So she does include a lot of vegetables and good clean protein sources. I love, like, this one here is a twist. It's roasted cauliflower shawarma lettuce wrap. This looks so good to me, and I just never thought of making this where you can have the lettuce wrap and then put those shawarma seasonings all over a bunch of cauliflower and eat that up. That is amazing. When I go on a diet, these are things I want to be eating, so to make it delicious is so smart. So she does include some really great veggie, skinny, oh, this looks so good too. Yeah, lots of really great veggie dishes, but she also does include plenty of pretty clean meat dishes and the healthy snacks, breakfast. Yeah, just some good twists on traditional stuff. Like, this is the thing I really like about her book, is some of her recipes are really, really simple. So you can see this is just cottage cheese, and then she made this little strawberry thing here, strawberry and cottage cheese jars. So it's super simple, but that's the kind of thing that I'm actually gonna follow and do instead of doing something that's gonna be super time consuming. So it's, a lot of her recipes are very, very doable, and I really appreciate that. This whole front section is about I wanted to see, yeah, so this is like her calendar here by the weeks, so you could follow her plan for the different breakfasts and things. And she has plans for like leftovers. So yeah, she just has a different twist from some of the other stuff out there. But beautiful pictures, beautiful recipes. I can't wait to make more of what she has in here. Just really good looking stuff. Super into it. I think it's a great cookbook.